Oh my goodness. Here's the storms that was causing all kinds of tornadoes earlier tonight. So weather. I hope it doesn't blow Boston off the map. Can't really get above those trees. Ooh, dang. Yeah, this is a thunder boomer. Ooh, Lord have mercy. Oh my God, that scared me. Wow, that was like right there. It's okay, baby. Mommy didn't mean to scream like that. I'm sorry. Holy crap. Mother Nature is pissed off. Okay, I'm getting wet now. Just a minute, baby. No, you're not coming outside. Ooh, we gotta close the door. It's getting all wet. Ooh. That rain is scaring you? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you, baby. Alright. Let's hope this ends soon.